Kevin from Bobville has septic worries.
That's really a place.
I believe you.
Yeah, it's right next to Billyville.
We have Paris, we have Mars.
Right.
There's all kinds of Texas towns.
Egypt. All right. Yeah. His house was built roughly 7 years ago. Kevin, I'm talking about, the guy who wrote us this letter, okay? He writes, the house was roughly 3,100 square feet. It's got 3 full bathrooms and 3 people living in it. It has an aerobic septic system and a really hard water. He says, we want to install a water softener, and I'm wondering if I can safely discharge in the regen cycle. Can I discharge that into my septic system?
There's been a lot of studies done on it, and a lot of people will tell you no because they're afraid there's too much salt. You really don't have much salt in the water. It's not a big deal because the salt goes more into the water that goes into the house, and it's going to go down the drain anyway. But the salt content in our area, and it's hard water, is about as much salt as a piece of white bread and a whole gallon of water. So you're going to get minerals like that no matter what. The studies show it doesn't hurt. You can dump it in and put the discharge in there. But it's going to have to really be controlled by the county you're in, because all the counties control the septic systems, and it's up to them where they want you to put it.
So if you don't put it in the septic system, where would you put it?
I drain mine to the street.
Really?
Yes. It's just water. So drain it to a ditch and drain it to a dry well. You can drain it to the street. I'm not sure how the property's set up.
Just don't drain it to your koi pond.
That's probably not a good idea. Those are living things.
Unless you have a
saltwater koi.
Saltwater koi. Yeah, yes. Known as sharks.
Actually, more like brackish water koi.
All right. You got brackish questions? Send them to us. Even if they're properly balanced, send them to HomeShowRadio.com, our website. You can check out our videos here. And, of course, subscribe to our channel.